It's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog, and I have just installed and I've been testing out the Mysa smart thermostats for electric heat. Mysa works with baseboard, fan forced, or radiant floor heating, so you can control that via your thermostat. The first thing you'll notice about Mysa is that it has a very sleek style. It reminds me a lot of my MacBook that I had in 2007. It has that shiny white appearance. Other than being able to adjust the heat up or down on the actual device, everything with Mysa is controlled via the Mysa app. Before you can use it, you have to install it. So Mysa is a different install than some of the smart thermostats that I've tried to install in the past, or I have installed in the past. My previous smart thermostats were 2-wire systems, but as you can see, Mysa has 3 wires on the back. Those 3 wires connect to 4 wires in your wall, and everyone's wires are different. I swear, this one was different than the wiring in my daughter's bedroom. There were additional wires coming into this box than there were in my daughter's bedroom, but we did manage to connect it correctly, and it lit up with a smile the first time we tried. Just open the app and the app will walk you through any troubleshooting. Keep in mind that Mysa can only handle 3,800 watts. If you have multiple baseboard heaters on one breaker, you'll want to note their wattage just in case it's over the limit. As I mentioned, everything is controllable via the Mysa app. So once you log into the app, you can see your baseboard heaters. You can turn them off, as I have done right now because it's summer and I don't require heat right now. But you can control them just by tapping the screen for up and down to adjust your temperature, and you can also do that right on the device. It makes it very simple to change the temperature in your room. There's also a number of settings that you can choose. I like to turn the thermostat display down, the inactive brightness all the way down, so that it's not even like it doesn't even show up on the wall when you're walking past it. And there's different smart features. You can turn echo mode on. You can use the animations to show you, there's a check mark and a smiley face to show you that your baseboard heater thermostat is working. And one of the best things I think is that you can monitor your energy use over time. You can see it over days, weeks, months, and you can even enter what you pay for energy, and it will accurately assess what your bill will be, or, an estimate of your bill. Having a schedule to turn your heat up and down is probably one of the best reasons to have a smart thermostat. So you can use the schedule wizard and it will automatically set a schedule for you for different times of the day. It set my schedule for at 6 a.m. to turn on to 16 degrees Celsius, which is a little bit chilly in the winter. You can adjust that yourself, and just keep in mind that when you manually adjust the temperature for your schedule, you have to go through and adjust every day just so that it's the same. The dashboard on the Mysa app gives you an idea just of what the temperature is in the room that you're using and humidity levels. Early on is a great function that can turn on the heat to whatever temperature that you've chosen right before you're about to get up. So if it's going to kick in at 6 a.m., it'll turn on earlier than that to make sure that the room is warm at 6 a.m. Even if your Wi-Fi is out, you can still use the Mysa device right on your wall to turn the temperature up and down. You just tap on the screen. You won't be able to access any of your smart functions like zones or schedules, but you can still alter your temperature when you need to. Mysa will work with your Google Assistant, Alexa, and it will also work with Samsung SmartThings. So I've added it to my Google Assistant, and I can just use voice control when I want to change the temperature. I love the style of Mysa. I love the sleek look. I love how it just blends into the wall when you're not using it. I really love how simple it makes controlling baseboard heat. This scheduling alone will save me a lot of money in the winter. I was constantly forgetting to turn heat off in different rooms, and with Mysa I can set them up in zones, have them all turn off and on at the same time, and have a accurate and comfortable temperature without doing anything at all. That's it for my quick review of Mysa smart thermostats. You can see my full written review on Best Buy Canada's blog, and I'll be updating my review in the winter when I get a better idea of my energy savings. Thanks for watching.